Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely. Now take the remaining hairs and then tie it all together and then pull it inside out. Now take the first one and then roll it nicely and pull it inside out and then repeat the exact same process until it will start looking like this. Now fix your hair and then it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail and then divide the ponytail into 3 sections. Now start making the braids out of it as shown and then pull out the hairs. Now start making a bun and then fix it properly with the help of a hairpin. It will look like this and it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail and then fix it properly with the help of a clip. Now divide the hairs into 2 sections and then make the braids on both the sides. It will be looking like this. Now tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now take both the braids and then attach it properly as shown in the video and then pull it inside out very nicely and gently and fix it all properly. Accessorize it and it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail and then make the small bun out of it or make the half bun. Now pull out the hairs all alternatively as shown in the video and do it very nicely and gently until it will start looking like this. Once you are complete with that, take the remaining hairs and then make it into 2 sections. Fix it all properly. It will look like this and then it's all done. It's cute, right? For this one, take the front section of your hair aside and then take the remaining hairs and tie it and pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs from the front side and start making the braids by taking the smaller sections out of it and then make the braid very nicely and gently and tie it till the end as it will start looking like this. Now from the ponytail, start taking the smaller sections and then keep adding it to the braid very nicely and gently. Once you are complete on both the sides, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. It will look like this. Now attach it all properly, fix it and then it's all done. Accessorize it. For next one, make a ponytail and then tie it nicely. Now pull out the hairs from the side. It will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs and then make the braids out of it very nicely and then attach it all properly with the help of a hairpin and it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail and then take a socks and then do it as shown in the video. Now tie the socks into the ponytail and then take the hands as shown and then tie it nicely all together. Roll it all properly and then attach it very nicely and gently. Now fix the hairs as shown and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail and then divide the hairs into 2 sections. Now take the smallest section from the first section and then start making the braids out of it. Now keep taking the smaller sections as shown in the video and then keep adding it to the braids until it will start looking like this. Now do it very nicely till the end. Now turn it around and then take the remaining hairs and keep adding it to the braids very nicely and gently until it will start looking like this. Once you are complete with that, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic at the end as it will start looking like this. Now fix your hair very nicely and gently with the help of the hairpin. It will look like a cute little bun and it's done. Thanks for watching.